One of the most highly anticipated rock reunions of all time, an instant sold out shows in Europe and North America and probably everywhere else. Oasis is back, and I'm going to show you how to play their easiest song. My name is Rob Reed. Let's get into it. Oasis revealed last August that they would put their differences aside and reunite for one of the most anticipated rock reunions of all time. Their first round of UK shows sold out instantly, and they hadn't played in North America for over 16 years.
America, Oasis is coming. You have one last chance to prove that you loved us all along.
Songbird is from Oasis' fifth studio album, Heathen Chemistry. It was released on February 3rd, 2003, and it went to number 3 on the UK singles charts. It was the first single by Oasis written by lead singer Liam Gallagher. His brother Noel said the track was, quote unquote, a perfect song. It was written as a tribute to Liam's then fiancée, Nicole Appleton. So the song is super simple, and it's only really made up of 2 chords and a passing chord. So it's in the key of G, and it starts on the 1 chord, which would be the G, and it looks like this. Then it hits a passing chord, which is a G over F sharp. So just meaning the F sharp note is in the bass. So it'd be the 2nd fret, 6th string. Then it goes to the minor chord, the 6 minor, which is the E minor, and it looks like this shape. Then it goes back to the passing chord, F sharp over G, and then back to the G chord. And it basically just cycles back with that progression. So the rhythm of the song is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So for the strumming pattern, it would be down, 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 up, down, up. So. So the structure of the song is basically G for 4 bars and E minor for 4 bars. But the passing chord comes in on the 4th bar, 3rd beat. And that 4th bar would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Okay, so let's play the whole thing nice and slow with the proper strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and G, 2, 3, and 4, and G, 2, 3, and 4, and E minor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's play the whole thing more up to speed, and you can play along. G, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 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 2, 3, and 4. So that's basically the whole thing. Super simple. It's a beautiful song written by Liam. It's probably the only 2 chords he knew at the time. So now let's play along up to speed with the lyrics.
Talking to the songbird yesterday, flew me to the past, not far away. She's a little pirate in my mind, singing songs of love to pass the time. Gonna write a song so she can see, give her all the love she gives to me. Talk of better days that have yet to come. Never felt this love from anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone.
All right, nice and easy. Only 2 chords, back and forth from G to E minor with that passing chord, F sharp over G. Check out the band's studio recording and play along with that. And when you get confident, you can sing and you're all set to go. I put together a video of all the most important things I've learned in 33 years of guitar playing. You can check it out here. See you in the next one.